Hello friends, day 107. I've now finished the Annandale Way and it continued pretty much as it had started, with some good sections and some fairly overgrown sections. But I had some good sections along the river today, so that was quite nice. And I've met lots of interesting people today as well. Had a good half-hour chat with Philip, an ex-policeman who was doing a bit of fishing today. And I met Colin again. I saw Colin yesterday, so you'll meet Colin later on. I also got so excited yesterday that I forgot to mention that I did an interview with Radio Dumfries, BBC Radio Dumfries yesterday, so maybe you heard it. I hope so. If not, it might be on iPlayer. Today I finished up walking from Annan to Gretna, and unfortunately that involved walking along the B721 because there isn't really any alternative. So that was not very pleasant. It's quite a busy B road, but I'm now in Gretna. And so today is my last night in Scotland. I will be heading over the border tomorrow morning. And hopefully the Clegs won't follow. They were out in force this morning and I have several more bites to add to the ones I already had. So I'm hoping that there will be fewer Clegs in northern England. Let's have a look at some views from the Annandale Way and I will see you on the trail.
Hello, I'm Colin. I've just met Chris on the Annandale Way. I'm walking it in the opposite direction. I've met him yesterday as well, so I know who he is now by his hat. But I'm a person who tends to do trails when the weather's not so bright, but I tend to go up the hills when the weather's good. So I'm down to 52 Munros left to do and about 100 Corbett's left. So I tend to walk all over the country. My wife's very good, she lets me out on various walks. So today I'm walking from Annan up to Lockerbie, and I tend to use public transport to get to the start of the walk most days. Doesn't always work, but most of the time it does.
I had a very pleasant Indian meal at McDabar in Gretna this evening. The only room available was a family room, but it has a 4-poster bed and it's actually cheaper than most of the rooms I've stayed in.